Hello there, and welcome to Craftiosity, where creativity gets delivered right to your doorstep with our monthly craft kits. This month, you're in for a treat as you dive into the world of crafting by making your very own metal embossed decorative dragonfly. Welcome to the realm of creativity and craftsmanship with our metal embossed dragonfly craft kit. We're excited to have you along for this artistic journey. It's time to unleash your inner artist as you work your magic on a simple sheet of metal, turning it into a stunning and intricate dragonfly. Inside your kit, you'll discover silver-plated wire, an embossing tool, a selection of blue and green glass beads, your wing design templates, a metal embossing workboard, 2 aluminium sheets, and a sewing needle. Don't forget, we've also included step-by-step photo instructions and a little something for your pinboard. Now, let's get started. Choose a set of wings from one of the template sheets and cut them out. Secure the wing template onto one of the aluminium sheets with some tape so it doesn't shift while you work. Next, lay out your metal embossing workboard with your templated aluminium piece on top. Use the larger ball on your embossing tool to go over the solid outline of the top set of wings. Press firmly onto the paper to ensure you get a clear line on the metal. Then use the smaller ball to press onto each of the dots on the template. After completing the top wings, reposition the template so it doesn't overlap with what you've embossed. Repeat the process for the bottom set of wings. Be sure to cut around each set of wings, leaving a bit of a border so you're not cutting along the lines you embossed. Now, grab a piece of wire, about 50 to 60 centimeters long, fold it in half, and fold over 2 to 3 centimeters at the folded end. Twist the folded part around to form the bottom of your insect body. Thread 10 beads onto the wire, taking care not to bend it. Fold over the wire ends by about 2 to 3 centimeters to create a teardrop shape. Wrap the remaining wire around the teardrop, starting at the beads. Just before you complete the wrap, thread the wire through the teardrop to secure it in place. Separate the 2 wire ends and cut them down to about 4 to 5 centimeters in length. Wrap the end of each wire piece around your embossing tool end to create a spiral. These will become your antennae. Now, lay your wings flat on your work surface and place the insect body where you want it to sit. Use your needle to mark the top set of wings next to the body to make holes on each side. Then, use the first set of wing holes as guides to make holes in the second set of wings. Cut another piece of wire, around 30 centimeters long, fold it in half, and thread it through the wing holes, creating a loop. Slide the insect body through the loop and position the wings. The wire loop should sit between 2 of the beads. Tighten the wire and twist the ends together on the back of the wings to secure everything. Bring the wire up from the back of the wings. Wrap one side around the body, between the first and second beads, and create a hanging loop by twisting the ends together. Feel free to trim the wire for a smaller loop if you prefer. Repeat these steps to craft your second decoration in the same fashion. Hang your creations up and enjoy. Thanks for joining us. We hope you had a good time following this tutorial, and we can't wait to have you back for our next craft kit project next month. Cheers!